Here we have the 7-inch LCD wireless monitor that goes along. There we go. This thing's huge. Look at it. Hey? 7 inches of color TV. And then we have our camera, wireless. And it's all magnetic. The sky above me, hey? It's gorgeous. Anyways, we need to grab the antennas, okay? So they're in the box here. Antennas. And they're very simply just screw in. Okay? So one goes onto the monitor. The other one will screw into the camera. And twist it around. And the antennas need to be pointed up. The screen's back plate here, the center of it where the line is magnetic. Watch this. Oh, oh. I forgot to tighten this up back here. So we got the camera on, we got the LCD on. They're wireless, they're connected now, but I need to put power to the LCD screen. So I'm choosing to use a 12-volt power source. And there's a different one because one end has to join to the power source. Very simple. It's got two arrows that meet each other. There's only one way it should go in, so don't force it. Line up the line, shove it in. So since this is an old vehicle, I don't have a 12-volt power source plumbed into the dashboard yet, so I'll just pull up my moon power source, put some fire to it, and it comes up. It should be catching the signal within seconds here. I guess it would help if I actually turned the camera on. Okay, let's go check it out. Oh, it's beeping away. Because it actually has a warning system. It's going to let me know if I'm getting too close to a vehicle. And it also has a green outline to let me know that I'm still in a safe distance. So, since we have the camera and everything all hooked up, let's check it out. There's a bunch of functions in here that we're going to learn about here. So this vehicle just pulled up behind me, and it's wrapped in green. That's our AI technology. Green starts to warn me that something is getting close, and the closer it gets, it changes colors from green to yellow to red. There's even a microphone. Whoops. There's a microphone on the camera too, because I can actually hear my exhaust through here. It's kind of cool. The AI system also detects bicyclists and pedestrians. The 7-inch depolarized screen can also support a 250 gigabyte micro SD card and can do multiple split levels up to 4 cams. Recommended for not being on a car more than 33 feet, but in an open range it could get up to 1,000. Check this stuff out. The controls are easy to learn, and you can learn functions like removing the distance of parts. You can get rid of the bells, and there's many more things you can adapt to. So yeah, this is the Sophon, I hope I pronounced that right, AI active safety system backup camera. The quality is amazing, not only in the picture, but the back compounds and stuff that it's made out of feels tough. So I highly recommend this. Check it out.